Hi, this is Zoe. Today I'm going to show you our paper cutlery making machine. So let's get started. Let's start with laminating and decutting. It's made of several pieces of paper with environmental protection glue or now plastic coating paper. As we can see here, glue is applied to the surface of the raw material and then heated and laminated. The process is repeated multiple times depending on the number of the layers. Paper cutlery making machine use paper as raw material, which is biodegradable, recyclable, healthy, and clean. It's ideal choice for global eco-friendly purpose. At the end, cut by hot press compound. The fastest cutting speed is 300 pieces per minute. Second part, it's forming part. Put products into the feature and take the parts by manipulator to the forming station. The fastest forming speed is 170 pieces per minute. The output is transferred to the next part. Next, we go to sealing part. The semi-finished products will be placed in the feature after forming, absorbed by the manipulator and inserted to the rail device, driving by the train product gluing, driving, collection, and packing after output. Our finished paper cutlery products reached certification and food safety test. Paper cutlery in the food and beverage field, such as baking, takeout, dessert industry, is particularly popular.